Up for sale, I got a 1967 Cutlass Supreme Holiday Hardtop Coupe, number matching 330, power steering, power brakes, factory AC, finished in factory colors, long-time California original car. I'm gonna walk around, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. So if you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you. Like I said, 67 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. It's a 33817 car on the trim tag, so that's your Cutlass Supreme Holiday Hardtop Coupe, so no post. It is finished in its correct provincial white with black bench seat interior, which was $980 for the Holiday Hardtop, so that's what the code is. It is a long-time California car, no rust, no patches. There's only one little area where it looks like there was a little bit of Bondo, but the rest of the car is all steel. Let me take this time to walk around it. And when we get to it, I'll show you. I mean, this is all steel. And right here is where the Bondo is. And then this is all steel again. So underneath the car, I didn't notice a patch or anything, or weld or any kind of clump, so I assumed that it might have got dented and they patched it. I don't know for sure, but there's no rust anywhere on the floors or the frame. I have a video of that, which I'll run a little bit later in this video, where I go all around the underneath of the car. No rust, no patches, which are very hard to find on this. I had a 67 convertible, same deal, all original body with all original floors, no rust. Hard to come by on these cars. They are susceptible to it, certain areas. It is probably finished in its original color, but one repaint of the provincial white. So, you know, a couple flaws on here in certain areas to touch up, couple chips. On this line, for whatever reason, this line, I don't know, maybe they bump it, so there's a couple touch-ups up here. And I believe it is 72,740 original miles. You know, looking underneath the car and all that kind of stuff, it does have that low mile look to it. Cutlass Supreme. Couple of chips again. Real nice front bumper. Nice chrome. Couple of little faint, you know, like you get those little white pits in a couple areas, but not too bad at all. Very, very nice condition. It is a very straight body, again, because of the original body panels. The hood alignment is very nice. And I will pop the hood for you. You can see the compartment. Again, on these Oldsmobiles, I'm a big fan of originality. So you got the original Jetfire air cleaner on there for the 330, which is the original motor for the car. Power steering, power brakes, factory AC. Rather unfortunately, there's no belt on it, but it's free spinning, so it's not seized. In fact, when I flip the AC on, I'm getting air out of it. So the blower is working for that. I just think if you threw a belt on there, maybe put a charge on it, it's going to come out ice cold. Interesting, there's a bracket here. Now, I believe this is for the original California smog pump, that would be. So it probably would have been in this area. I see that on Corvettes and whatnot in like the 80s and late 70s. So it would have been there. But other than that, very factory correct compartment, very clean. We'll keep going. Trim tag, I got a picture of that on the ad. And I basically just told you all that I saw on there. The 33817 and 980 with the CC, which is the Corinthian, excuse me, that's Ford, provincial white. And you know, you could have gotten a different top on there, but since CC, okay, top and bottom. You know, like a little touch-up right there. Another couple touch-ups right there. Looks like a little scratch. Couple marks on this door jamb there. Nice factory door panels. There's the original VIN stamped in place. And nice door jamb here. Very clean. And the bench seat has a couple rips on it. And there's one here There's one underneath there, and unfortunately one underneath the passenger seat, so this could be maybe a one-time replacement bench seat. So the guy put these nice seat covers on there. I mean, they're pretty comfortable. You could take it off if you wanted to, or sit on the rip. I mean, the rip's not going to do you any bad by sitting on it. Excellent dash, no cracks on it. Got the original radio in it. See, there's the air conditioning controls. 72,740. Bench seat, however, is in excellent condition. No rips on that. I know what you're seeing. That is a light coming through. That's nothing. Rear door panel is excellent, as well as that opposite side. And headliner, really nice condition. So we'll grab the key for the trunk. When I get to it. Couple little marks in the paint, nothing too bad. Oh, and on top of it, it's got these 20-inch Ridler wheels, which I think give the car a great look. Excuse me. You could put a factory wheel on it if you want, but for whatever reason, this kind of custom wheel really accentuates the look of the car. Looks like the trim kind of rubbed a little bit there. You get a couple more marks there in the paint, and like another little chip there. A little more chipping on this fine edge right there. But it is a long-time California car, original California car, long-time owned. I can, you can tell by looking at a lot of those signs of it, but my body guy is walking up to me. Give me 1 second, I'll pause it and we'll resume. All right, we're going underneath the Cutlass. The California car, the all original. Underneath, the rust-free. I apologize for the background noise. I got a light under here too. 12 bolt. Solid, very clean. Underneath here, you know, a lot of stuff is hidden here. There's nothing hiding there. It's got different springs in the back. Brand new exhaust system, like I mentioned. All the areas that are susceptible to rusts. There is none. I got the light coming in here to help show you the quality and the cleanliness of the frame. And then I'll go to the floors. Look at the size of the holes here, all factory holes. There's no stretching on that. There's no rust at all, really. We're going up the frame here to the front. Here's the control arm. Front of the frame. Gonna get down low and show you. There's no rust anywhere underneath this. I've had a couple of them. I know where they do rust, and it's not. It'll be right here, and there's nothing at all. Not a drop on the floors. Going back to this side here. I'm taking my time going through this because it deserves to be shown. I mean, just look at the frame, look at the floor as I go up. And admire all these factory holes there. Again, no size changes on them. Those are all the way they came. So, here you have it. Gonna keep going now. Thank you. Sorry about that. Oh, and also when I saw the car, and I first looked at it, it had its original single exhaust on it, which I thought was pretty cool, kind of like that unmolested feeling to the car. But the guy threw on brand new dual exhaust. He spent like $1,000. I got he kept the receipt. I have something showing it. That's cool. Single exhaust would have been cool, but the double gives it a little more, that kind of throaty vibe to it. Real nice rear bumper though, and you know, just a little bit of pitting down here by the license plate that like holds that moisture to it. Let me pop this trunk. Wrong key. Okay, in the trunk you got the original spare. Matte. Nice trunk, real solid. Again, no patches, but being the original trunk, like a couple little tiny pinholes, just a few of them, very small. I mean, I can't stick my finger through that, and you can jump in here. You could put a family of 5 in there. Nothing's gonna go. Spare, like I said. Probably the original underpaint on the underhood, so you see a little bit of that surface coming through. That's nothing bad at all. That's just the originality, the original paint. That's 67. So what is that? 53 years? Am I adding right? 53 years worth. So nice and clean though. Is it 53? I don't know. We drove it on the highway home, drove real nice. A little lower chip there, another little chip. It did drive real nice on the highway, actually. I drove this one home. A little chipping up there on the top. A little check in the paint, and a little check in the paint right there. And then down below, you know, on both sides you get a little bit of chipping real low to the ground, where the tires kick any kind of stone up on the road, gravel, and anything like that hits that bottom part. But that's not too bad. There's no rust anywhere on this, I guess, the lower rocker area on either side. Both door panels, front passenger and driver, are in nice condition. Windows go up and down as they should. It will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of the video, so if you like it, go ahead and check it out. Try and be as honest as I can with the car and the cars that I do have. Point out what I have, fire them up, drive them. And now my memory card just got full. What else is new? There's that batch back. And now my memory card just got full. There's the back seat, like I was saying though. Nice condition. Again, the headliner's really nice. Like I said, original California car, long-time California car. 330, number matching. Power steering, power brakes, factory AC, automatic. Any questions, let me know. Send an email, give us a call. My office phone's on the website. I don't always answer. Leave a voicemail. There's a little chip right there. We'll fire it up right now and then we'll drive it. And yeah, there we go. 67 Cutlass Supreme. Thanks for watching. All right, here we go. Here's the 330. You see all the options. Just gonna go straight ahead. We're gonna fire it up. And also, I didn't mention, it's got a new carburetor on it. I got a picture of that on the ad. Brand new carburetor.